to the show, guys. This is the Handyman Show, and I'm Jared, and today we're going to be doing a ceiling fan. We're going to assemble it, and we're going to hang it up outside. This is going on the patio, so we're going to put it together. I'm going to open it up, take it out the box, and we're going to get started. If y'all ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pull everything out the box, get it all ready, put it out on the countertop, and I put my utility blanket down so I wouldn't scratch the countertop up. So the first thing is you gotta unscrew these screws. It's 4 screws. Got to unscrew 2 of them all the way out, and the other 2 you unscrew halfway out. You gotta leave them on because you're gonna turn it. You're gonna release you're gonna release the bracket that's on the bracket to hang it up on the ceiling. So once you get the screws loose, you take it out. It's gonna pop out. You twist it, it's gonna pop out. Then you take that clip out, put your wires in. You gotta push those wires through that tube right there, then put the bottom part in. See, the problem is I keep messing up. I got to start over because I put the doggone bottom piece upside down. This is supposed to be the other way, so I gotta do it over again. This what happens. But hey, let's do it. So we're gonna start over because I messed up. I'm gonna take all this back out. Now we're gonna do it the right way. Put that bottom part on first. See the way it's down there. Now you put the other part on. Twist it all back on. Thread it all back on. Tighten that screw. Had to look at the book. I was confused. So now I'm taking the LED light off. So I just took off the LED light that was up. Now I need to mount the bracket for the ceiling fan. The bracket, that's the bracket that we unscrewed in the beginning. Now you need to screw it to the wall mount that they already put up there. Now just tug on it, make sure that it's tight, make sure it won't come down. You know, if you tug on it and it ain't falling, you know you're good to go. Now we just need to strip the wires. Make sure that you cut the electricity off before you do this. I already had cut the electricity off, just didn't record it. So now you can hook up the fan. When you're doing the fan, you need to turn it sideways. See how I got it turned sideways? You turn it sideways and you slide it into the little slot right there. I wish I had somebody that was out there recording with me, could have got a close-up shot of me twisting it, but that's it. And once you slide it in, it's in. Now you just connect the wires, the white, the black with the black and the blue with the black. I'll tell you about that later on in the video, how I messed it up. In the copper. And that's it. You push that back up, you tighten it up. Remember the 2 that we didn't tighten? That's why, because you're gonna put that clamp back on later. So it's a slot that's in the inside right here. You could put those screws on. And you put all 5 of them on, and now it's time to put the part that could connect the LED light. I should have took this part out first, but I didn't. I kind of did this part backwards, and now I need to take this screw off because I can't slide it on without this screw being on. So I'm gonna take this screw off, and then I can slide it back up and then tighten it back down to keep the light from falling down. Now you tighten it up. And this pretty much it. This is I didn't record putting the blaze on because I forgot to put the light bulbs in. So I put the light bulbs in and that's it. The fan done, but the light won't work. The light not on. So remember the blue wire that I was talking about earlier? This is what happened. I didn't put the blue wire on. So we done. Got it fixed. I hooked the blue up to the black wire, and now it's on. Can't be scared to try. It's a nice feeling. I like the palm looks that it has. Let's give this a try. See if it come on. That's nice. Step back and look at it. Yes, sir. I finally finished it. I got it up. It's running. It's working. So what happened? I didn't hook up the blue wire to the black wire, and it wasn't working. The light wasn't coming on. The fan was working, but the light wasn't coming on. So I called my electrical friend. He came through for me again, because I'm not an electrician, and I don't, I could just do a little something. So I called him. He told me what to do. Easy fix. And now it's working. So I got it done. So I got some other projects that I'm gonna do, but that's it for today in this video. So y'all just stay tuned, keep watching. This is the Handyman Show, and I'm Jared. Until the next time, peace.